other technologies also help travelers gain better experiences. I actually I think that also helps like to have a better experience.
How do the apps?
Sky was clear. Experience as one type of app, and another are basically like information apps. They'll tell you what the weather's going to be and how the cloud is going to go. I think they're cooperating with some meteorological bureaus or something, so you can get the up-to-date information on your phone.
When looking up information for our chat, I came across an article from the Smithsonian that had a list of the 10 best objective, right? There's more than 10 great places. Places for stargazing, and I'm from Nova Scotia.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm from Nova Scotia, Canada.